a bit more. Yeah, good boy, Freddie. Get it. Good boy.
Come on, Freddie, get it.
You get it. What's that?
What is that thing?
I wrapped it up so loose. What's that? What's that? What is that? What's that?
What is the thing?
Good boy. What is that?
Oh.
Oh, the piggy. Get it, Freddie. Get it, Freddie.
What is the thing?
Oh. Good boy. Look. Look.
You did it.
First present of 2021.
Okay, I have no idea what this could be. Oh! 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 Yes! Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome, honey bun. Oh, let me have it. Let me have it, Mum and Riley. Oh, everyone loves how you give Mummy hugs all the time after you get something. Merry Christmas, honey bun.
Merry Christmas.
Say thanks to Jake because he helped choose.
Thanks, Jake.
Yeah, I completely forgot about
Thanks,
that.
Jake. Yeah, thanks, Jake.
He has this.
Cool.
Oh, use like his own.
That's yours. Let me just have a little peek in there, make sure it's yours.
Riley, look away.
Yep.
Is it?
Yeah. Because there's two the same size, pretty much.
A mini fridge? What? A mini fridge? No way.
Oh, that is something I've been asking for
I
for a
have
long
been
time.
asking for that.
I'll open it up. Hey, Freddie, get out of there.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh,
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
ho, ho, ho.
I wonder what it could be.
I wonder what this could be.
No.
Okay, 3,
2, 1. Oh my goodness.
What is it?
Some Simpsons underwear.
Oh!
What did you get, Riley?
What is that? Oh! 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 Oh!
What is that? That's Jake.
Don't hug Mum, hug Mum.
That's Jake. It's not Mummy. Oh, Jake got that for you, Riley. Oh, look at your little brother. No, I got my meerkat. I like my meerkat. I like my meerkat, thank you.
Wait.
What is that? Oh, you got it. Oh, what did you get, Freddie? What did you get? Oh, the bone is big as you. What you got, Freddie Bear? What you got? I didn't get it. That is mine. That's mine. I've got it in no bed to sleep. Oh, Shannon. Come and sit down and see what you got. Jeez, you're getting some good prezzies, mate. I'll tell you what.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh! 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 Oh!
Oh, that dinosaur thing that you always want to dig for.
I'm doing it right now.
Well, it's like a megalodon or something.
Yeah,
Shark teeth unearthed. Look at that one. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, you're a lucky boy. You're a lucky boy. You can return it if you...
Some Oakleys. No.
Or you can...
Chadwick glasses.
Oh, the Oakleys.
Do you want to change them for different ones? Do you want to save some for after dinner or?
Yeah, I will.
Save those ones for after.
I wonder if I should save like 1 or 2 for like tomorrow.
No. Got stocking. Santa comes with his stocking, mate. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, you finally got it. Not all that asking. Mum's saying, no, mate, it'd be so stupid. It'd be so stupid. You never use it. You never use it. You never use it. If you don't use it,
I'm gonna use it, Mum. Every single time we go to the
gonna use
beach or anywhere, I'm gonna use it.
right, well, we're going to the beach next week for sure, so
Yeah.
a digital metal detector.
I think it actually works.
I know, right? I don't even know how it could possibly work, but if it doesn't work,
I mean, you know,
if it doesn't work, it's going back to Charlie. Careful, Mum's drink there. Oh, if we don't find that, that's false advertising. What about that?
I think there's a possibility we could find some really good coins, like some really rare,
Maybe.
really cool finds.
I think we could find some keys. All right, buddy. This is from Jake.
As soon as I unwrap this, I'm coming over there.
Well, what if you don't like it?
Still giving you a hug.
Come on, buddy.
Wait.
Some of you boys wanted Riley.
You're right, mate.
Oh, he's just laughing. Jeez, you're a lucky boy, Riley. You're one lucky son of a gun. Oh, you're welcome, honey bun. Oh, you're a bit emotional, mate.
I'm just eating another, toxic waste.
Wow, mate. You are.
Look at your swag, mate. Oh, is he out? Did you get something else as well? What else did you get? Is that it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's looking good. All right. All right, let's go check it out.
Oh, the fun with the removes.
Kind of looks like a tuna.
Yeah. It's like tuna sushi.
Oh, it's like.
Okay, you have to wait till you cut it though.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 la.
There you
No idea what it
Keeps
is.
us. We can spend the night.
Oh. No. No, Mom. Thank you so much.
Here we go again. Is this the overreaction of the century? Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. You're hyperventilating, darling.
Dude, open it now so that we can play around with it. Oh, what could it be? Freddie, come out of the way, please.
Ready? It's not all about you, mate.
Go. What could it be, Mum?
Exactly what I asked for.
Freddie.
Exactly what I paid you money for.
What? No, it couldn't be.
It could be sodium
Oh, that's what I wanted. A flat bottom.
No, you're on the flat bottom.
No one wants a flat bottom. Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
see bacon even.
That's why I said we can make
Oh,
the
yeah. And I did want it. I wanted the
Yeah,
I
exactly.
was like,
and flat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because when I saw it, I was like, Jake. Mum said that she wanted a grill and it's a press. And I
Wow,
was
it's even 1,800 watts? What?
what?
No way, go get some.
Oh, I love it. Love it.
Another year went by. But the
Oh, you
difference
lucky
this
boy.
is that ever since
Oh, he's already buying it.
Knows what it
I've been
is.
happier than I have.
Oh my god! Oh, the slush puppy!
It is
Oh, the slush puppy bobblehead. Oh, oh.
Oh, and guess how much it was? The stickers right on there.
I don't know. The slush puppy.
A slush puppy bobblehead. It's so cute.
I know.
Tomorrow it is Christmas.
No.
Ready?
Ready? What could it be? Vending machine?
What?
It was right beside the mini fridge. And I was like, oh, how cool is this? Because you press that and you put in like...
Open it, dude. Open it.
It's so cool. But like,
Oh.
This
and you
holiday.
pull that and it like... Look how
Christmas
cool that
miracle.
looks.
Tomorrow it is
Alright, try and actually see if it works.
the first for me and you.
Russian mate.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin.
Got it right now.
Alright.
So cute.
Jonah,
Ready to see what Mum got?
Yeah, definitely. Do you know what you got?
Yeah, I bought it myself.
Myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we part with the sweet. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
And Sunday Riley?
I know, right? Sunday STYLIST and Riley. Wow.
Looks like a pretty
Let's
good
go
Santa
outside.
present.
The snow is falling down, and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate bar.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Ready?
Yes, yes,
Come here.
yes.
To spend this day with you.
Ready, get your bottom out of the way.
Let me give you a
Best
Christmas
day ever.
moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Oh, Freddie, come here.
Making plans, what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink a
Santa
came.
Freddie, Santa came. Freddie the Santa. Santa came, Freddie. Santa came to give you presents. Oh my goodness. Did you go for a beat?
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with
Is this my one? What's been my one?
I don't
Which
need
one's
any
mine?
presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
What is this? A standing ice cream scoop? Finally, I can actually just stop.
Ooh.
Look at that.
And in a while
Oh,
we're
my
gonna
goodness,
go
is that what I
inside and
think it
drink our chocolate bar.
Freddie, is
All
that
I
a
want is to spend this day with you.
my goodness, I love this thing.
Let me give you a
Santa's coming in clutch with the Yeezy, the fake
moment
Yeezys.
we'll fill with love and joy.
Look at him. Look at the thing.
What'd you get, Jake?
Towel sprayer.
Oh, jeez. Santa listens to Santa's like Siri. Santa hears everything.
Yes.
Santa's always listening.
Oh, Freddie, that. Oh no, that's not it,
Just
Freddie.
like Siri.
There's one more thing for you, Freddie. Come here.
Lucky
Freddie,
boy.
now that I'll
Alright, let's have our little Christmas breakfast. And then we need to do something about cleaning up this house.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
See you on the next time.
In my little prison shop, when the bell on the door to stop, but somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes,